Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to get your trees prepared for summer. With the scorching heat and dry weather, it's crucial to provide your trees with proper care to thrive during the summer months. So let's dive in. Step 1 is to hydrate. Just like us, trees need sufficient water to stay healthy and vibrant in the summer heat. Water your trees deeply a couple of times per week. This encourages the roots to grow deeper, making them more resilient to drought conditions. Remember to water trees slowly in the critical root zone, allowing the water to soak in gradually. If you want to learn how to properly water your tree, check out our video tutorials. Step 2 is to reapply mulch. Applying a layer of hardwood mulch around the base of your tree is an excellent way to conserve moisture and keep tree roots cool. Mulching also prevents weed growth, reducing competition for water and nutrients. Maintain a mulch depth of 2 to 4 inches, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk to avoid rotting. Step 3 is to prune your trees. Summer is a good time to look for hazards and eliminate them, especially before the storms roll in. Trimming any dead, damaged, or diseased branches is a good idea. There are a lot of benefits to proper pruning. But remember that pruning should be done with caution. Because of the complexities that are involved in proper tree pruning, it's best to seek professional help rather than trying to prune your trees yourself. Step 4 is to control insects and diseases. Unfortunately, summer brings unwanted insect pests and diseases that can harm your trees. Regularly inspect your trees for signs of infestation or disease, such as discoloration, wilting leaves, or unusual growth. If you notice any concerning signs, it's crucial to act promptly. We know that monitoring your own trees and shrubs can be daunting, especially if you're busy. A preventive program like our Canopy Protection Program ensures that your property gets regular monitoring by a professional, so you don't have to lift a finger. Step 5 is to control mosquitoes and ticks. These insects carry diseases and can make your yard a very unwelcome place. However, most mosquito and tick control programs are harmful to the environment, wildlife, pollinators, pets, and to your health. Artec offers a natural treatment option that effectively controls these nuisance pests without harming you or those you care about. We hope these tips help you keep your property beautiful and functional this summer. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and leave us a comment if you have any questions you'd like us to answer in the next video.